Alright, welcome back to Big Pulls Down Under and another Sunday break and another box. How could we not after what happened last Sunday? Oh my god, did you guys see that? We hit the gold trophy, Andrew Brayshaw, and we hit the rookie wildcard, Nick Dacos, in consecutive packs. In fact, we hit the Team Star Power a couple of packs before that, so we hit those three in the first 6 packs of that box. Absolutely insane. So this week we've got a box and it is from the Newcomer News Agency. So we know their form's been pretty strong. So let's see if they can match the AFL store online. I mean, if we can match that, it's just insane. Same deal, still chasing chase cards. I still want that retro, I still want that neon, and I still want that gold collage. Everything else is a bonus. I need it for the sets to complete the wild cards and the Team Star Powers, so I'm excited for this. Let's see if we've got some Sunday mojo going. Let's get into it. Alright, here we go. Pack number 1. What are we going to get this week? I'm still in shock over what happened last week. Sam Draper, Daniel Rich, and our first oddbot. Oh! Well, there we go. I think that's the last oddbot I need. I think that might be the last oddbot I need. What a start. I haven't seen that one before. I'm pretty sure that's the last one. Cody the Flea Waitman. I think that's just finished my oddbot set. How about that? Good start, good start. Alright, Jack Zeeble, Tom Jonas, and Stephen Canelio. Silver Star Power. Alright, Tom Liberatore, Chang Kuth Gia, and we got the Big Tex Walker. How about that? Actually, is it? Oh, I'm confused now. I don't recognise that one either. Anyway, good stuff, good stuff. Can the Newcomer News Agency produce big? One way or another, I think I just completed the oddbots. Another oddbot. What the hell's going on? Dane Zorko, Patrick Cripps and the Scanlons, and the Lynchpin. I definitely know I've had that before. That's all of our oddbods out the way already, isn't it? Alright, we've got Darcy Fogarty, Seb Ross, and Big Jared Witts, Silver Star Power. Still finding cards locally, hopefully. Still pulling big hits, hopefully. As we near the mid-season mark, Jamie Elliott, Jeremy McGovern, and our first gold, Ben King. You can tell that's not an action shot. I don't think he didn't play any games last season, so they've obviously had him in the studio and taken a photo of that one. Even if we can get a box half as good as last week, I'll be stoked. Clayton Oliver. I don't think I'll ever see a box like that again. What have we got here? Oh, we got a neon! And I think it's for my boys, Collingwood. It is! Yes! It's the first neon of the season! And it's for my team! Oh my god, I'm on a hot streak for pulling Collingwood cards! Oh my lord, who is it? Who is it? Jamie Elliott! Oh, look at that! Oh, I've been so waiting to see one of these in my hand, and I'm so grateful it's a Collingwood one I get to see first. Oh, baby. Would you have a look at that? Oh, the Sundays. The Sundays. Here we go. The Newcomer has gone bang. You know, the only one with the cards, AFL story says. Oh my lord, would you take a look at that? Jamie Elliott Sharpshooters, Neon Star Powers. Imagine hitting your own PC cards for your first Neon. That is so unbelievable. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so happy. Wow. What's the back look like? Oh, they look like a normal star power, really, don't they? But then you turn it back over and bang! Look at it. Oh, they look so good. Oh, yes. Ooh, my turn has come for the hot streak. Let's go. Tom Lynch, Riley O'Brien, and Tom Hawkins. Silk Star Power. Oh my god, I can't believe we just hit a Collingwood Neon. A Collingwood Neon. Alright people, looks like Sundays are a regular thing now. Sam Walsh, Matt Guelphy, and Ollie Wine, Silk Star. Andrew McGrath, Toby Green, and here we go. Top of the box again. So it looks like if there's a case hit in the box, your box hits are up the top. Maybe? That's what it looks like to me. Rory Sloane, Star Power. I need that. That's another needed card. Very nice. Wow, what a flying start. Alright, we've got Ben McKay, Bradley Hill, and we got a gold best and fairest. These things follow me around everywhere. For the Hawks, we got the gold best and fairest. That's actually in really good nick. Can't see any print lines, one maybe tiny one. Unbelievable. What is going on? 3 big hits at the top of the box. Whew. I can't handle this. Harrison Petty, Rowan Marshall, and Daniel Rich in the card craft. The box luck has finally turned. Alright, we got Rory Laird, Will Day, and we got Jade Gresham. Alright, what kind of wild card are we going to get today? So many to get, so there's still so many to hit. Ned Reeves, Elijah Hollands, and Sam Doherty in the card craft. Or a gold collage even. Gold trophy. Hit me up in the comments. Tell me your best hit of 2023 so far. David Swallow, Christian Petrarca, Star Wild for Geelong, Cam Guthrie. That, I believe, is a double up. There we go, people. That one goes in the prize pool, I believe. I'm pretty sure that's a double up. I'll have a look. I'll double check, but I'm pretty sure it is. Aren't they spectacular? I love them. Bloody awesome. Alright, I just went through my folder and I'm wrong. I must have seen that one in somewhere else. I don't have Cam Guthrie. So it's not a double up. Alright, Alex Pearce, Tom Atkins, and Will Brodie, AFL Fantasy Favourites. Seems to be a bit of a pattern when it comes to case hits. So the Friday night video a couple of weeks back, I hit the case hit. All the hits are at the top of the box. Adam Chera and Hayden Young. The gold trophy was the same. All the hits are at the top of the box. And the neon was the same. All the hits at the top of the box. Zach Merritt, Sean Darcy, and Charlie Curnow, Silk Star Power. So I'm thinking, if you come across a box and it's full, you buy a few packs and you hit the wild card or both Team Star Power and the wild card, it might be worth going back and grabbing some more packs. It could be a case hit in there. Chad Warner, Tom Stewart. Oh, forgot about the code. Yeah, so it might be worth getting a few extra packs if you find yourself getting a wild card or a Team Star Power off the top of the box. Dyson Heppel, Nat 5, and we've got Took Miller, best and fairest. Caleb Sarong, Jack Silvani, and Liam Baker in the gold. So yeah, so I'm going to keep that in mind from now on. It's hard to know really because most of the time you don't open them until you get home. But then again, you can always race back. You never know, it could be a retro. Luke Bruce, Sam Taylor, and Max King, Silver Star Power. Brody Grundy, Taylor Adams, and Luke Parker in the Star Powers. We're almost out of packets. What another amazing box. Sundays are killing it. Absolutely killing it on DeConing. Ollie Wines, James Sicily in the favourites. Alright, Brandon Starcevich, Rory Lobb, and Jeremy McGovern. Cardcraft. Alright, looks like two more after this one. We got Jack Darling, Nick Veloston, and Jai Simpkin in the Cardcraft. My mistake, three more to go after this one. Alright, we've got Jacob Hopper, Nick Natanui, and Jack McRae, Silver Star Power. Alright, lucky last pack. Any mojo left in the box, please be in here. Alright, we got Cam Guthrie. We have a gold. Took Miller and Luke Shuey in the gold. Very nice. Very nice. Wow. What can you say about that? A lot, actually. I think that was that was another amazing box. Unbelievable. First neon of the season. We got another gold BNF. We got a needed wild card and a needed Team Star Powers. We got needed odd bods as well, I think. So we'll have a look, see what we got. We'll have a quick recap. Alright, here we go. Unbelievable box again. Took Miller, Scanlons, Jack Steele, Luke Bruce, Lance Buddy Franklin, Patrick Cripps, and then we're into our car crafts. We've got Sam Doherty, Jade Gresham, Daniel Rich, Jai Simpkin, Jeremy McGovern, and in our odd bods we've got Lynch Pin. For the tags, we got the big Tex Walker, and we got Cody the Flea Waitman. In our gold we got Luke Shuey, Liam Baker, and Big Ben King. In our wild card we got Cam Guthrie. Oh, they look nice. We got Rory Sloan in the Team Star Power. We got another gold BNF. I seem to get one every time I open something. For the Hawks. And then, bangity bang bang bang. Look at that. Collingwood Magpies, Jamie Elliott, Neon Sharpshooters, Star Power. Don't they look fantastic? Unbelievable. They definitely look like a step up from last year. And last year's were really good. So, unbelievable. Absolutely love it. And that's the first one of the year. Sunday's bringing the goods so far. I think we're going to have to keep rolling with the Sunday breaks, people. This is what I was hoping for, and it's working out so far. Gold trophy, Nick Dacos rookie wildcard, Jamie Elliott neon, all on the Sunday breaks. Wow. I think we're onto a winner here. If you enjoyed that, you know what I want you to do. Smash that like button. If you're new around here and you want to see some more Sunday breaks where we hit in case hits, or you want to see Friday breaks where we hit in case hits, you want to see loose pack battles, you want to see any other cards that we might break once the footy season's done, hit that subscribe button. And as always, I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.